Good day, guys. Good day. Today is also another day for the Hamster Kombat. I think day 7. So here is a quick this thing. Okay, let's go inside. So now you go to mine. Have you seen I've not mine? Okay, so now you come to PRNT. PRNT. This is a quick one. I'm doing it quick. PRNT. Then you come to, you come down. You scroll down. And you come to partnership program. Now you buy it. Partnership program. You buy it. Perfect. Now you come to specials, and you scroll down. Special, then you come to new card. Okay. Now here is Lambo for Hamster CEO 1 million. If you don't have 1 million, don't purchase it. 1 million, then you go ahead and you buy it. Sharp. Now you come down again. Where is it? I think it has skipped me. New card. Okay, here is it. Um Web Academy. New card. Oh. You come to new card again. Web Academy. Web Academy line. Then you buy it. Sharp. Then you click on no. Then you click on go ahead. Then boom, you are good to go. Um, Thanks for watching. Have you seen? Thanks for watching, and please do all to subscribe. This is my new channel. Please do all to subscribe. Please. Thank you.